Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how you can add rounded corners to shapes and objects you insert into your canvas on Inkscape. So let us get started. So guys, you can do this with rectangles, triangles or star icons. Let me go with that star icon and add also a rectangle for the sake of this tutorial. What you need to do is navigate to the given shape or object, right click into it and choose or navigate to object properties. Here in the Object Properties tab, what you want to do, guys, is navigate to the rounded settings here. You may enter the value here in the numbers with or without minus, depending on the rounded settings. Or you may use these plus and minus buttons here to increase the rounded settings or decrease. So if I, for example, let's say, click into these, increase the rounded settings, the star icon with its corners would look like this. And yeah, you can do this also with other shapes. So guys, let me just set it back to default by entering the 0 value, press enter, and that is going to remove the rounded corners, guys. That's it. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.